Hello, I'm Jessica Amir for the Finance News Network. Joining me from Montem Resources is CEO and Managing Director Peter Doyle. Hello Peter and welcome.
Thanks very much for having me.
So first up, just give us a quick introduction to the company.
Sure. Montem Resources is a metallurgical coal development company with assets in Canada. Our assets based next to existing mines. We have 4 projects that have had mines before that have exported their coal to Japan, and we're restarting the Tent Mountain mine with production forecast to start within 2 years.
And for those who aren't familiar, just tell us about the importance of metallurgical coal.
Sure. Metallurgical coal is an essential ingredient in the development and production of steel from the blast furnace. Approximately 75% of global steel production is from blast furnace. Of that, it takes about 800 kilograms of metallurgical coal to make 1 tonne of steel. So these buildings around us, the cars that we drive, the houses that we build, the ferries that we travel in, all contain steel. Global production is around about 1.7 billion tonnes of new steel every year.
And what can you tell us about the metallurgical coal prices?
Metallurgical coal price, hard coking coal price currently $185 US. Long-term average price US $180 approximately over the last 10 years. Concentration of supply in Canada, Australia and from the US, and new suppliers looking at strong forecast pricing with the spot market looking very resilient over the next 3 years.
Thanks Peter, and I understand you have 4 key projects. Just tell us about the Chinook properties.
Chinook properties are located in southern Alberta, adjacent to existing export mines. The 4 main projects are called Tent Mountain and Chinook South, Chinook North and Vicary-Racehorse. Tent Mountain and Vicary-Racehorse previously exported all their coal to Japan to be used in making steel. The Tent Mountain mine was closed in 1983. It retains a mine permit. It retains an environmental approval that needs amendment before we can start mining. The IPO is to fund development work on the project to bring it up to a ready to construct status and to get that amended application from the government. That will take us the next 18 months to 2 years to complete, and we believe we'll bring first coal to the market in 2020. The other Chinook properties are all brownfield development properties. We have exploration results from historical work that shows 163 million tonnes of JORC declared resources across these deposits. Low stripping ratio coal, adjacent to infrastructure, the railways within 10 kilometres of these, straight to the port for export to Asia. And we're going to put a lot of the IPO funds into bringing these projects up to pre-feasibility level over the next 18 to 24 months.
Great. So now let's talk about that in a little more detail, the IPO. How much are you looking to raise?
We are seeking to raise a minimum of $15 million and a maximum of $20 million through the issue of new equities priced at 50 cents. That'll give a market capitalisation of approximately $55 million for the company, and we use the funds to do the development work over the next 2 years that I previously spoke of. We've had very strong institutional interest in the offer. The leading funds group here in Australia, Regal Funds Management, hold a significant position in our stock, and we've also had other institutions here in Australia and in Hong Kong and Singapore have a good, strong interest in the stock. We expect to close the offer on the 14th of September.
Thanks Peter. So how can people get involved?
We've lodged our prospectus with ASX. The offer is open. You can access the prospectus via our website, or you can talk to your broker.
And lastly, Peter, just tell us why you think investors should be backing your IPO.
We have multiple advanced projects in a mining-friendly jurisdiction with high-quality met coal. We have an expert team of Australian and Canadian mining experts to do the work, and we have a clear pathway to production.
Wonderful. Thanks so much for your time, Peter Doyle, and good luck with the listing.
Thank you.